Stop. Before you even think about spending $500 on an iPad mini right now, you need to hear this. We are standing at a massive crossroads in the history of Apple's smallest tablet. For 4 long years, the iPad mini has felt like the forgotten child in the lineup, the niche device marketed quietly toward pilots, field technicians, and doctors who needed something compact and dependable. It survived on minor refreshes and incremental upgrades while the spotlight shined on the larger Pro models. But in 2026, everything is changing. The iPad mini 8 is not shaping up to be a routine spec bump. It represents a full architectural shift that could make every previous mini look like a calculator from the late 90s. If you are a tech enthusiast in the US, you know the struggle. You want the power of a pro-level device, but you want it to slip into a jacket pocket. You want to read, game, sketch, edit, and multitask without wrist fatigue. And now, according to supply chain chatter out of Cupertino, Apple may finally be ready to deliver the Mini Pro we have been asking for since 2012. Let's start with the core of this transformation, the A18 Pro chip. For the first time ever, Apple is rumored to be placing its top-tier flagship silicon inside the smallest iPad. That decision alone signals a philosophical shift. Historically, the Mini received toned-down processors, often one generation behind the iPhone Pro lineup. But 2026 is different because of Apple Intelligence. The next wave of on-device generative AI requires serious neural processing power. Cloud-based AI is no longer enough. Apple wants real-time, local computation for privacy, speed, and reliability. The older chips simply cannot sustain that level of neural throughput without thermal throttling or battery drain. The A18 Pro, however, comes equipped with a dramatically upgraded neural engine and advanced GPU cores designed for hardware-accelerated machine learning tasks. The iPad mini 8 is reportedly being designed as the ultimate AI notepad, a device that doesn't just store your thoughts, but actively reshapes them. Imagine writing messy handwritten notes during a lecture or meeting, and within seconds the device reorganizes them into a structured outline, extracts key action points, and generates a clean project plan. Imagine circling a rough sketch and having the AI instantly convert it into a polished vector graphic. That kind of fluid, contextual intelligence requires enormous NPU performance, and the A18 Pro is built precisely for that. This is not just an upgrade. It is a redefinition of what a compact tablet can do. It transforms the Mini from a passive consumption device into an active creative partner. Then there is the display, arguably the most jaw-dropping rumor of them all, Tandem OLED. After debuting on the M4 iPad Pro, this next-generation display technology is expected to make its way to the 8.3-inch canvas of the Mini 8. If that happens, it will be revolutionary. Tandem OLED stacks two OLED panels to dramatically increase brightness, contrast, and longevity while maintaining energy efficiency. We are talking about up to 1,600 nits of peak HDR brightness in a device that fits in one hand. Deep, inky blacks, no more washed-out grays, no more blooming artifacts, and perhaps most importantly for long-time Mini users, no more jelly scrolling. For movie enthusiasts and mobile gamers, this screen alone may justify the upgrade. HDR content will look cinematic, with highlights that genuinely pop and shadows that feel immersive rather than muddy. The current liquid Retina display, while respectable, simply cannot compete with OLED's pixel-level illumination. Once you see true HDR on an 8.3-inch OLED panel, going back will feel impossible. It elevates the Mini from a convenience device to a premium media powerhouse. Gamers, pay attention, because this is where things get serious. The A18 Pro paired with a minimum of 8 GB of RAM turns the iPad mini 8 into a legitimate portable gaming contender. We are looking at hardware-accelerated ray tracing, console-quality lighting effects, and the ability to run AAA titles natively at smooth frame rates. Games like Resident Evil and Assassin's Creed are already running on Apple Silicon, and the Mini 8 could deliver them at 60 frames per second without breaking a sweat. That is astonishing considering the size and weight of the device. Compared to handheld consoles, it offers similar performance in a thinner, lighter chassis. It is essentially a Nintendo Switch Pro engineered with Apple's Silicon Advantage and ecosystem integration. And unlike traditional handhelds, you are not locked into gaming alone. You can switch instantly from playing a high-end title to editing 4K video in LumaFusion or designing assets in Procreate. The versatility is unmatched. This is the convergence device many of us have been waiting for, a tablet that feels equally at home in a gaming session, a design studio, or a productivity workflow. Speaking of creativity, the Apple Pencil Pro support is another major leap. The Mini 8 is expected to fully embrace the squeeze gestures and barrel roll functionality introduced with the newest pencil. That transforms this compact tablet into a serious professional sketchbook. For architects, designers, illustrators, and students, the size hits a sweet spot. It is large enough to sketch comfortably yet small enough to carry without a dedicated laptop bag. Imagine sitting in a coffee shop, pulling the Mini from your coat pocket, and drafting architectural concepts with precision, tilt sensitivity, and haptic feedback. It blurs the line between casual portability and professional capability. Connectivity is also stepping into the future. Wi-Fi 7 support promises dramatically faster wireless speeds and lower latency, making cloud gaming, large file transfers, and collaborative workflows smoother than ever. The USB-C port is rumored to support Thunderbolt-level data transfer speeds. That is a massive deal. Thunderbolt on a Mini means you can connect high-speed external storage, audio interfaces, and even a 5K studio display. With Stage Manager maturing year after year, Apple seems determined to make the iPad a legitimate desktop alternative. Picture this. You carry the Mini as a lightweight book during the day, then plug it into a full workstation setup at night. One cable. Instant desktop mode. It is the one-device dream finally becoming realistic. Battery life is expected to remain strong despite the performance leap, thanks to efficiency gains in the A18 Pro and the power-saving characteristics of Tandem OLED. Apple's Silicon has consistently demonstrated industry-leading performance per watt, and the Mini benefits directly from that innovation. You get pro-level power without sacrificing the all-day usability that made the Mini beloved in the first place. Storage options are likely to start at 128 GB, eliminating the frustratingly small base tiers of the past. Combined with faster NVMe storage speeds, app launches and file operations should feel instantaneous. Multitasking, especially with AI-assisted background processes, will become seamless rather than sluggish. All of these upgrades point to one unavoidable conclusion. If you buy the current iPad mini today, you may regret it within months. The generational leap appears too significant to ignore. This is not a subtle refinement. It is a rebirth of the product line. Apple is no longer treating the Mini as an afterthought. It is positioning it as a flagship in compact form. The timing makes sense. Consumer expectations have evolved. People want fewer devices that do more. They want portability without compromise. They want AI capabilities that work privately and instantly. The iPad Mini 8 seems engineered to answer those demands directly. It aligns with Apple's broader ecosystem strategy, where hardware, software, and silicon operate in tight harmony. There is also a psychological shift happening. For years, the larger Pro models carried the prestige. But imagine holding a device smaller than most paperback books that matches or even surpasses them in certain tasks. That changes perception. It redefines what Pro means. Power is no longer about size. It is about integration and efficiency. In many ways, the iPad Mini 8 represents Apple acknowledging that portability is not a compromise. It is a priority. When flagship silicon, world-class display technology, advanced AI processing, pro-grade stylus support, and desktop-level connectivity converge into one small device, the category itself evolves. So before you tap that buy button on the current model, pause. The crossroads is real. The shift is architectural. The Mini 8 is poised to transform the smallest iPad into one of the most exciting devices in Apple's entire lineup. And if the rumors hold true, this tiny tablet will not just fit in your pocket. It will redefine what you expect from everything else you carry.